The day I realized I was no longer the same person, it didn't happen suddenly. There was no big announcement, no dramatic moment, just one ordinary day when I realized something quietly powerful. I wasn't the same person anymore, and immigration had changed me more than I thought. Part 1. Before the change. Before moving abroad, life felt familiar. You knew how to talk to people, how systems worked, where you belonged. Confidence came naturally. You didn't overthink simple conversations. You didn't hesitate before asking questions. You moved through life with a sense of certainty. That version of you felt stable, recognizable, comfortable. Part 2. The small changes began. After moving to Canada, the changes didn't feel dramatic at first. They were small. You become more observant, more careful with words, more patient with processes. You learn to wait longer, plan more, adapt faster. At first, it felt temporary. You thought, once I settled in, I'll feel like myself again. But something deeper was already shifting. Part 3. The moment of realization. Then one day, it hits you. Maybe it's during a phone call home, or while remembering how things used to be, or when you react to a situation differently than you once would. You notice you handle stress differently now. You think more independently. You solve problems without expecting help. Things that once scared you now feel normal. And in that quiet moment, you realize you've changed. Not in a bad way, just permanently. Part 4. Mixed emotions about change. This realization can feel emotional. Part of you feels proud. You see your growth, your resilience, your ability to survive and adapt. But another part of you feels nostalgic. You miss the old environment, the ease of home, the version of you who didn't have to start over. And that mix of pride and longing is something many immigrants understand. Because growth often comes with sacrifice. Closing message. If you ever felt like immigration changed you, that doesn't mean you lost yourself. It means life expanded you. You are still you, just stronger, wiser, more experienced. The journey didn't erase your identity. It added new depth to it. Call to action. Tell me in the comments, when did you realize immigration changed you? And subscribe to Immigrant Live in Canada with Akin Brown for honest immigrant stories and real reflections, because your journey matters. Salute.